Hey, what's up, my peoples? Yeah, look over my Milwaukee color finger video. I just want to share one of my favorite songs. It's called Mata Pupula by Punyalaba, I think, but you can check it on YouTube. Okay, so I hope you guys like it. If you don't like it, don't like it. You can just view it. Yeah, let's go. All right. 1, 2, 3, go. Sa ule mo elele mata uti ale mitine usua tutu itele mai letai I ua fauli le tafala malamamba oa ele langi lea ise na iloa le pongai Mata pupula beise afi ai sea ai mamo e pa ape feana e pupula malosia e fafua sei ona mata pupula. Yeah, she can be like kicking a moto. Yes, sir.